If you've ever wanted to make your Twitch streams more interactive by showing your chat right inside OBS Studio, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to connect your Twitch account, get your chat set up in OBS, and troubleshoot any common issues, so you can focus on engaging with your audience and enjoying your stream. Let's dive in and get your Twitch chat up and running in OBS Studio. First things first, go ahead and open OBS Studio on your computer. You can double-click the icon on your desktop, or find it in your programs list, whichever works best for you. OBS Studio is basically your control room for live streaming, so it's important to start here. Take a moment to let it load up fully. Sometimes, depending on your computer, this can take a few seconds. Now that OBS is open, you'll want to click on Settings. You'll find this button down in the bottom right corner of the window. Clicking Settings is like opening the toolbox. From here, you can control all sorts of options, but today we're focusing on getting your stream connected to Twitch. Take a moment here, don't rush, especially if you're new to OBS. There are a lot of tabs and options, but we'll walk through it step by step. Once you're inside the settings menu, look on the left-hand side for the tab called Stream, and give it a click. This section is all about telling OBS where to broadcast your video. Selecting Stream opens up options for different streaming platforms, but today we're focusing on Twitch, of course. Here's the fun part. It's time to log into your Twitch account. You should see a button or field that lets you log in directly. If you're not already signed in, OBS will prompt you for your Twitch credentials. Type those in and make sure you're logging into the correct account, the one you want to use to stream. Once you're logged in, OBS and Twitch will link up, so your chat and stream info can come through right into OBS Studio. After you log in, you should notice that your Twitch chat window appears on the right side of OBS Studio. This is a really handy feature. It lets you keep an eye on your community's messages while you stream, without needing a separate browser window or device. Take a second to make sure the chat is showing up. Sometimes it can take a moment for it to appear, depending on your internet connection or if Twitch is experiencing any issues. But let's say you're already logged in and you still can't see your chat over on the right. Don't worry, this is pretty common. OBS has something called Docs, which lets you customize what you see inside your workspace. At the top of OBS Studio, you'll notice a menu called Docs. Click on that, and in the drop-down, you should see an option called Chat. Go ahead and click Chat. This tells OBS to display your Twitch chat window. Think of it like opening a drawer in your desk to find something you need. You're just making sure the chat panel is visible in the workspace. Once you've got your chat showing, you're all set. You can resize the chat dock, move it around, or even undock it for a more comfortable setup. Having your chat easily visible makes interacting with your viewers so much easier, and honestly, it adds a lot of fun to the streaming experience. If for some reason chat isn't appearing, double-check that you're logged into the right Twitch account, and give the OBS app a quick restart. And that's it. Now your Twitch chat is right where you need it in OBS Studio, helping you create a more lively, connected stream. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or run into issues. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this, so you can keep leveling up your streaming game. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!